What's going on, everybody? Got a brand new robot mop to unbox for you today. This is the Shinebot W400s floor washing robot. And this one is different than most of the standard ones that you see that just use a pad at the bottom that gets wet and kind of just rubs against the floor. This one actually has a rotating bar that actually scrubs the ground as it goes over. And then there's a squeegee on the back that will actually suck up all the water, so it won't leave your floors all wet like most of the other robot vacuums or like the BravoJet M6 or any of those other robots. So it's very different. Pretty excited to try this, and let's go ahead and unbox it. So the 400S model. Good packaging. I like packages that show off colors and has lots of information. Personally, I don't like the brown boxes that just don't say anything. It's got a clean water tank and then also a dirty water tank, so it's easy to empty and fill. And as you can see here, this is the rotating bar that will actually have downforce, and it will scrub up the stain rather than just go over it like most of the other competitors. There's also a vacuum motor in the back that sucks up the water. So this thing has a lot going for it. This was only $200. I got it right around Amazon Prime Day. It was actually a little bit cheaper. It was $186, but I paid $200, and it was it's sold out as of now. But if it goes back on sale, I'll let you guys know. All right, let's go ahead and check this guy out. Got the instruction manual. Of course, that comes with everything. I will probably need to take a look at that later. You got batteries for a remote, which is nice. There's the remote. We'll go over that whenever I do a review of this guy. I'll show you what each button does. And then this sits on a plastic dock, which will also charge it. And then here is the rolling bar that does the scrubbing for you. It even comes with a scrub brush to clean out the tanks. So they give you a lot of stuff, which is nice. It's a nice soft cotton roller bar, and this puts downforce and spins. So this is going to do much better than just a simple pad running over something. So I think this thing's going to clean pretty good. All right, good. They even include some floor cleaner, which is nice. 10 ounces. Here is the power cord for the dock. And then here's the robot itself. Big box. Let me clear all this out. And here we have it. One thing I noticed right off the bat, it's a very tall robot. So this thing will not be able to clean underneath your cabinets where a lot of food and stuff typically falls. Usually you're not going to get stains and stuff that really needs to get mopped under there, other than everyday dust. But if you have a robot vacuum, it should take care of that for you. It does come with a nice carrying handle, makes it very easy to maneuver. All right, here's how you take off the tanks. Push this down, grab it by the handle, and it all comes out into one big unit. All right, as you can see, it has two tanks. The one on top is the clean water. The one on the back is the dirty water, and as you can see, it has a squeegee to suck up all the dirty water, which is really nice. Here's another quick look at the rotating pad. I can see this doing a really good job cleaning. And it does come with an additional one, which is really nice. So very easy to use. Simply pull this off, fill this up with clean water. And then as this thing cleans, on the back here, it will suck up all the dirty water and keep it contained. And then simply pull out this whole thing, pull that, and then you just dump out the water into the sink or toilet or whatever you want to do with your dirty water. And that's it, very simple. Then to put this back on, just kind of scrape it down at the bottom until it clicks over the wheels. Then it clicks back in. So it looks like it's gonna be very easy to use. And I'm looking forward to doing this. I'm gonna do a bunch of tests. I watched a couple of videos on this from the manufacturer. They show like people running over a whole bunch of ketchup, different condiments. Basically, if you make a big spill on your floor, you should just be able to set this guy down, have it go, and it would basically just suck up all your juice or soda or whatever your kid spilled. So should be pretty cool. Looking forward to doing this test. This was just a super quick unboxing and to kind of show what's coming up on this channel. If you're interested in this, please do me a favor, like and subscribe. And I will have a video of this doing the test very soon. And yeah, just a quick video for you. Thanks for watching and have an awesome day. See ya.